Well, Wednesdays here on the show, we like to put the spotlight on the farm women's group Common Ground. Common Ground is a group of farm women who want to be a resource for consumers who want to know more about how their food is grown. In this segment, we are hearing from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt from the Napier area on how her family operation helps livestock handle the cold.
Well, as you've noticed, it has been cold lately, not only for people, but for animals as well. And we're checking in now with Emma Vogt with Common Ground. And Emma, you guys have been keeping an eye on your livestock due to the cold.
Yes, John, we have. We've just had one of the coldest weekends we've had in a long time. I think we had down to -15. So getting prepared is a big factor when we have cold weather coming in, making sure that all of the animals are close to home or somewhere that they're well protected, having a good shelter belt. If we're calving, having the barn open to get calves in, because cattle can do okay with the cold, but that wind can cause a lot of trouble. Next, we look at making sure that they have dry conditions, because just like the wind, it can be cold, but if there's mud and wet, it really affects the cattle. So if there's a lot of mud out, we do a lot of bedding, we'll blow out some bales, make sure they've got a dry place to lay down and keep dry. The next big factor is making sure that they have enough calories. When they're out there in the cold, they burn more calories, just trying to stay warm. So making sure that they're able all to get to the bunks or get to whatever bales or feed extra, because that makes a big difference if they've got a full belly or if they're hungry. And another big piece is making sure that they all have access to water. A cow will usually drink a gallon of water per 100 pounds of their body weight. So in the wintertime, they drink 12 to 13 gallons of water each day. So making sure that whether we have waters that they get to or tanks that they're open, we usually have to break the ice in them. Some have like a big heater in them and it keeps that water so it doesn't freeze. If they're out in the pasture, making sure that their creek or dam, however they get to that water, is broke open and they're able to get there. All those tasks aren't usually just a once a day thing. It's continuously checking through the day, sometimes even through the night, to make sure that they're well protected, they've got water, they're dry.
Why do you think it is important, Emma, for consumers to know that you guys are really taking into consideration cold weather and cattle, making sure they're safe?
Just because that's such a big part of what we do. It's just a big part of our operation, making sure that they're taken care of and healthy, and that's a main concern of ours.
Okay, great. And you are coming back with a recipe to share.
Yes, I've got a tater tot casserole. It's one that, as long as I put the right vegetables in, all of my kids will eat.
All right, sounds good. And we'll see you and we'll learn more about that in a few minutes.